In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create a Google Slides presentation. Open your browser and head to Google Slides. Sign in with your Google account so your work is saved to your drive. On the home screen, you'll see options to begin. To start from scratch, click Blank. If you want a quick, polished look, choose a template that aligns with your topic. Templates come with coordinated fonts, colors, and sample layouts you can customize. Next, name your presentation. At the top left, click where it says Untitled Presentation, type your title, and press Enter. Naming your file right away makes it easy to find later and keeps your drive organized. Now, let's add slides. Use the plus button to create a new slide instantly. If you need a specific arrangement of text boxes or placeholders, click the small arrow next to the plus and pick a layout that fits your content. You can always reorder slides by dragging them in the left sidebar, which is handy when your story changes. To add text, go to Insert, then Text Box. Your cursor becomes a crosshair. Click and drag to draw the box, then start typing. Use the toolbar to adjust font, size, color, alignment, and spacing, so your message is clear and consistent across slides. Keeping font sizes larger for headings and slightly smaller for body text improves readability. To include visuals, open the Insert menu again. Choose Image to upload from your computer, search the web, or pull from Drive. Resize images from the corners to maintain proportions and position them so they support, not crowd, your text. Select Shape to add arrows, callouts, or simple graphics. You can adjust the fill and border to match your style. To add a video, click Video, search or paste a link. Then place and resize it so it complements your slide. If you want a cohesive design, go to Slide, then change Theme. Browse the available themes and pick one that fits the tone of your presentation. Your slides will update to reflect the new style while keeping your content intact. You can still adjust individual elements afterward for fine-tuning. Here's some peace of mind. Google Slides saves automatically as you work. Look near the title for the Saved to Drive message. There's no need to press a Save button. Your changes are backed up continuously so you can focus on creating. And that's it. You've opened Google Slides, started a presentation, named it, added slides and content, picked a theme, and everything saved automatically. You're ready to build a clean, clear deck with confidence.